is your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale, place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home.